Grade 9 Biology, Lesson Tissue, Module 4. Objectives. At the end of this module, you will be able to list out different types of animal tissues, illustrate different types of epithelial tissues, recognize the functions and locations of epithelial tissues. This flowchart shows classification of animal tissues. Animal tissues. On the basis of the structure of cells and their function, animal tissues are classified into four major types. They are epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue, and connective tissue. Epithelial tissue. It's a covering or protective tissues in the animal body. The cells of this tissue are tightly packed and it forms continuous sheet. Cells of epithelium contains very little or no intercellular matrix. The skin, lining of buccal cavity, blood vessels, alveoli of lungs, and kidney tubules are made of epithelial tissue. Epithelial cells lie on a delicate non-cellular basement membrane which contains a special form of matrix protein called collagen. Functions of epithelial tissue. Epithelial cells protect the underlying cells from mechanical and chemical injuries and bacterial or viral infection. It covers most organs and cavities within the body. It also forms a barrier to keep different body systems separate. Epithelial tissues help in absorption of water and nutrients. It helps in elimination of waste products. Some epithelial tissues secrete secretion such as sweat, saliva, etc. Types of epithelial tissue. Depending upon the shape and functions of the cells, the epithelial tissues are classified as follows: squamous epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, ciliated epithelium, and glandular epithelium. Squamous epithelium. There are two types of squamous epithelium: simple squamous epithelium and stratified squamous epithelium. Simple squamous epithelium. In cells lining blood vessels or lung alveoli where transportation of substances occurs through a selectively permeable surface, there is a simple, flat and extremely thin kind of epithelium which is named as simple squamous epithelium. It is found in the lining of mouth, esophagus, lung, alveoli, etc. Stratified squamous epithelium. The skin which protects the body is also made of squamous epithelium. Skin epithelial cells are arranged in many layers to prevent wear and tear. Since they are arranged in a pattern of layers, this epithelium is called stratified squamous epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium. Cells are cuboidal in shape and forms the lining of kidney tubules and ducts of salivary glands, where it provides mechanical support. Columnar epithelium. Where absorption and secretion occur, as in the inner lining of intestine, tall epithelial cells are present and are named as columnar epithelium. This columnar epithelium facilitates movement across the epithelial barrier. Ciliated columnar epithelium. In the respiratory tract, on the outer surface of epithelial cells, there are hair-like projections called cilia. These cilia can move and their movement pushes the mucus forward to clear it. This type of epithelium is named as ciliated columnar epithelium. This is a picture of ciliated columnar epithelium. Glandular epithelium. In some cases, a portion of the epithelial tissue folds inward to form a multicellular gland. This is called glandular epithelium. It performs a function of secretion and absorption. This is an image showing glandular epithelium.